In this video we're going to look at how we can use the transit search function, specifically progress to natal and progress to progressed search functions of our IO addition to move a composite chart in time. As you see, I already have my IO addition open and I have a client file, chart file open. I'm going to select the first individual, so all I do is click on it once and it highlights it. First thing we need to do, of course, is to create the composite chart. Now, to do this kind of search, you need to do a relationship composite chart, which is a Davison composite, and it adds a geographic midpoint to the planetary midpoints, making it a quote-unquote real chart so that the program can calculate planetary positions based on the ecliptic and the geographic location of the chart. As you see, it opens with Fidel Castro already in place because I had him highlighted. Now I'm going to add his brother, Raul. I'm going to click down and hold, just pull him up into the second position. And there's Raul, and you see that my chart is ready to go. I've selected Great Circle. You can have Average or Great Circle, your choice. Next step is to open my transit search window. So I go to Special at the top of the screen, open the transit search window, and you see I've already selected Progress to Natal. Fidel and Raul's relationship chart is here. I select my progressing points. I'm doing just the inner planets for this search. So anything with a box is a part of the search. If you want it turned off, click it. On, click it. I've selected my natal points. I've selected the date range. Now this is one part of the program where you have to enter the time zone because the program has already calculated using the atlas the proper time zone for the charts. This is the position. This is going to be where the individual that's going to be looking at the information is living or visiting or whatever. So I've entered EDT. The default is GMT. So you'll enter the time zone, select the aspects that you want to display. So choose the progression type. You can see there are multiple progression types. I'm going to do just a standard secondary. I'm going to select to view house ingresses, transit with orbs. My orb setting is a standard setting. Now I can tighten it or I can make it larger. We'll leave it at 1. I want to display long-lasting aspects. So we're ready to go that quickly. Just click the list. My computer that I'm making this video on is an older computer, and so it's a little slow. Yours will be much faster. I'm running Yosemite, which uses more resources, of course. And there it is. All the detail by year, shows the dates. Reading these in your manual, there is a section on reading a transit report. Let's open the manual. And if you just click on the section, it will take you directly there and it will show you how to read each of the reports. So I've finished that. Now, progress to progressed. It's the same procedure all over again. Set the dates that you want. You can see that they're still there. Set the progressing points, the aspects that I want to look at. Select my progression type. I want to display stations and sign ingresses. And I'll click list. And it's calculating the progress to progressed chart, moving it forward in time. And there we have it again, by date times. Our default is true node. Now you see I have a progressed report saved over here. So to save this, if you're sending it to someone or you can print it, of course, but if you're sending it to someone, the best format is PDF because it can be read on any computer. So I select print from file, in the bottom left hand corner, save as PDF. I'm going to name it. Determine where I want to place it. I can put it in documents, of course. I could have a folder for it. Downloads, I don't want to put it there. So let's go back to the desktop and I click save. And there we have my report ready to read, print, email to someone. double click it to open it, and there's the detail. And that's all there is to it. Very easy to do. And remember, the key is you have to use a relationship chart because of that geographic midpoint. So I hope this helps you with your progressions. And if you have any questions, always feel free to call or email us. Thank you.